Want to become a certified Microsoft DevOps engineer expert and master the art of unifying people, processes, and technology? Whether you are a developer, IT professional, or cloud enthusiast, this course is your launchpad to success. I am Amit. I have over 50 cloud certifications across Microsoft, AWS, Oracle, and Google. I have designed this course to be the most hands-on, exam-focused experience built for real-world DevOps practices and certification mastery. From source control to release pipelines, you will gain the skills to design, implement, and optimize DevOps solutions that accelerate delivery and enforce best practices for collaboration, automation, and security. Let's turn your DevOps skills into certification and your certification into career-defining momentum. I'll see you in the course.